Hey everybody, I'm back. So apparently the last video got a lot of likes and I'm very happy and thankful for your support. So today I thought I'll show you again this week's behind the scenes at Upshift Autos. So let's start with the S-Class. So the S-Class, the body kit has now arrived and we have started the mechanical work on it. Basically the car had received a decent amount of hit from the front. So we are fixing out whatever is necessary, so that includes small pipes, hoses and everything that requires replacement. We are going to be replacing that. And once the mechanical part is filled, we are going to be adding another cosmetic layer to it and we're going to be making it very good to look at. So now coming up, we also have a VRS 230, a grey car. So this actually belongs to Akshay, Titus of GT units. So we are going to be repainting the wheels of this. Apparently हम कुछ अच्छा सोच रहे हैं, कुछ experimental सोच रहे हैं इसके color का. So let's see how it works out and we'll definitely keep you guys in loop and you will see it. So now when we go forward, we see the VRS 245, which is here, the black one. इसका हम सारा जितना भी pro part था वो सब black out कर रहे हैं because we want to give it a nice dark setup. And we are also going to be painting the wheels on this. And I think this car is now for sale. This is one of the first all-wheel drive VRS 245s in the country, and it is a very good car to drive. Let's see how it works, and then we're going to be showing you if this car is for sale. I'll put the details down below. Now coming back, we see an Audi Q2 here. So this Q2, ये हमारे पास आई थी for some body work. This car had some damage, but fortunately now the damage is now fixed. We've made it almost brand new. और उस पर हम अपनी signature nano coating करने वाले हैं, जो अंदर inspect हो रही है. सुरेंद्र जी के हाथ. And the Bentley, finally guys, so you saw the last video, the Bentley is now fully ready. The wheels were painted in hyper silver. We did a beluga black on the exterior. This is a bit of an old car, as you can see. It's a 2007-8 car. So obviously इस पे काफी time लगा, काफी मेहनत लगी to make sure everything was right. But now this car is all looking beautiful as if it was just delivered yesterday. So thank you all guys. For now this is it and hope to see you guys back at Upshift. And we're going to be putting in a lot of behind the scenes coming soon and a lot of B-rolls also for you guys to enjoy. So take care. Thank you so much for your support and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.